Hi everybody, it's Wanda. So, I decided, since I had made up a cup backwards, I put it in backwards, okay? I put it in for a ring pour, but I put the dark color on the bottom instead of on the top, which is backwards. So, I'm going to put down a white base and use that cup because I am not throwing away about 10 or 12 ounces of paint. So I decided to do this with a white base. See what happens. Doing a backwards pour. I don't particularly like straight pours because to me, the inside of them always look kind of strange. So I don't know how this is going to turn out. Ouch. This is a 16 by 20 canvas. Which takes about 12 ounces of paint, but I had already mixed up 8 or 10. Probably about 10. So now I've got a base coat on it, so I've got way too much. But my colors are cobalt blue that has been lightened a little bit, amethyst, metallic, and white pearl that are folk art. And we're just gonna see what happens. I think I'm gonna turn it. See the cup? See how much paint I've got and how it comes out. I blocked a little bit right there. So, I guess it's another ring pour. The other one I forgot to put a base on. I wish I had because it would have made it move better. I see a blob. Just dripped. Maybe a hair in there. Yep. Pretty sure it is a hair. Something weird going on there. Yeah. Yep. I do not like that inside. too much paint around the edge. Don't want to drip that again. Let me get it off. Check, see if my camera's running. Yes, it is. I have a ton of bubbles. I left this sitting probably a good hour, if not longer. There it goes, dropping off. That means I've lost my design. I'm not used to using this size canvas, but I ran to Hobby Lobby and picked up some other stuff, so I thought, well, I'll just grab some of these canvas because they're cheap. Because you can get 5 of them for $10, so $2 a piece for a nice size canvas. Isn't bad. Okay. That amethyst metallic is so beautiful. So beautiful. Wish I had not put my cup upside down with the blue in the middle. I would have had white in the middle. Now, do I want to tilt some more off to get rid of that drop? I seem to have plenty of paint. I'm slopping it everywhere over here. Some blue and purple into that corner. This paint was actually thick, but the base coat being so thin is making it move a lot faster. So now, after seeing how this is working, I'm glad I did not put a base on the big video, on the big canvas that I just did the video for. This rack actually isn't too bad. Not too bad. And I really don't mind those little swirly things in the middle because I think that just makes it look even more like it's out in space. I don't particularly like this little blobby thing right here. And I don't want to make it any worse. So, I have to not get down in that base paint. So, I think I still have quite a bit of paint on here. I don't know, it's not moving too much. Yep, it's moving a little bit. I like this corner, I like that corner, kind of like this corner. Let's see about taking some off over there without messing up my center too much. There we go. Bring it back. See how it settles in? That looks almost pink. That's really strange. I left it sitting, and I bet that amethyst mixed in with that blue, which made it a little blue or a little red looking, but then the white faded it out, so made it more of a pink. Well, that's definitely different. Don't think it's moving too much now, a little bit. Might try to take off that corner a little bit just because it's so white looking compared to the others. And I need to get rid of some more paint. Okay. I'll center that a little bit. Bring it back up a little bit, I think. There we go. So, I think I'm done. That one turned out pretty cool. I do have to pop some bubbles. So, tell me what you think. I think these colors are pretty. I think this is going to dry pretty, even though it has a wonky center. A little bit wonky in the center. But could have been worse. So, I'm happy with it. So, let me know what you think. And this video wasn't all that long. Yay. So, thank you so much for watching. I invite you to come back, watch me again. It's always unpredictable. It's probably what I should have named my channel. Unpredictable. So, thank you so much. I hope you're having a wonderful day. It's Saturday. I'm looking forward to be off from work again tomorrow. So, thank you so much.